Yeah, dog. How's it going, people? Been a little bit of something out here. Well, I got some videos coming. I'm just been a little lazy. Got my number 2 son out here today, and we are gonna put some vinyl wrap on this roof of this here. I mean, on the hood of this here Mustang. Just got through watching. Got dried off a little bit. Got the fan blowing in the back. It's gonna be a little loud, but got Pete, semi-wonder dog here. He's gonna help us out what he can with his unopposable thumbs. We're gonna get P-Man after he helps his mama get the groceries in. He's gonna come out here and we're gonna wrap this hood. Probably put you on the time lapse for that. I get out here, I know exactly what I'm gonna say. When I turn this button on, I'll forget it all. Alright, we're back in with it shortly. Alright, P-Man done wandered off. We're gonna do a little unboxing and whatnot for you. We got this automotive film. It's from Vivid, V-V-I-V-I-D. Just gotta do it online on YouTube about 4 or 5 times. So I ought to be able to do it now. I mean, you know, I'm like generally more or less a master at it now. You can't watch YouTube do it. What's used to having TV? I'm gonna, while I wait on my number 2 born son. Yeah, we're trying to get over some colds and stuff here. I still got a little head cold deal going on. Well, I only cut into the vinyl already. Couldn't find the end on it. I got it. Put my blade away. If I can't peel the tape on this, I'll at least show y'all what it looks like laid out on the hood of the car before we commence to going into the time-lapse mode. Yeah, it might be cheesy, man, once I get done. I kind of like to look at carbon fiber on some stuff. Might be a little cheesy, like I say, when I get it done, but you know, ah, crap, it done ripping the edge of it. Be careful when you're taking it apart, see there. I doubt it's gonna be as bad as the old what is it they call it, plastic dipping your whole car in a certain color. That was a big fad there for a while. I think it died pretty bad death too. There's still some people probably doing it. Every fad's gonna have its turn, and it's gonna come back. Look at the mullet, bell bottoms. I had a sweet mullet. Now I can only grow a skullet, if you see what I'm talking about. Anywho, first thing man did was take it and roll it out on the hood of the car, so we're gonna do that. Hey. Alright, you also have magnets that he held his stuff down on. I got some magnets, but then I got some cool magnets. Because I just redid the stereo in this car. And these magnets on the back of those speakers laying around here somewhere. See there? Don't throw stuff away, you're gonna need it eventually. No, seriously, I'm gonna cut them magnets off when they use them. There's a lot of good stuff in you. Welding projects, stuff like that.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Alright. As I say, we came, we went to conquer, but we failed. There's a little patch there. I don't know where we got too little crazy with the heat gun right there. I tell you, it don't really look about this side here is about the best side. And the middle. The middle looks pretty good. But we're gonna pull it back off. I'm gonna waste $40 more and we're gonna see if we can't do it right. Me and the boy, we done learned a few lessons on the stuff we should have done and should not have done. So, you know, we get kicked down, we're gonna step back up. We're gonna do it right. That's the way we do it around here. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe. If you don't, make fun of it, share it anyways. Somebody gonna watch it. All right, later, y'all.